At HMC Works, we specialize in industrial roof painting and building refurbishment solutions that protect, restore, and extend the life of commercial and industrial facilities. This project was completed for Johnson's Crane Hire, where aging metal roof sheeting showed signs of corrosion, coating failure, and weather-related wear. Our process began with a full roof inspection, followed by detailed surface preparation. All loose coatings were removed, rusted areas treated with a professional rust converter, and the roof thoroughly cleaned using galvanized wash to ensure maximum paint adhesion. Critical areas such as ridges, laps, fasteners, and roof penetrations were carefully waterproofed to prevent future leaks and accommodate natural building movement. We then applied metal primer, followed by 2 coats of high-performance industrial roof paint, delivering long-term corrosion protection and UV resistance. The project also included external building refurbishment, restoring a clean, professional appearance that aligns with the client's brand and operational standards. The result is a fully protected industrial facility with an extended roof lifespan, reduced maintenance requirements, and a bold, modern finish built to withstand South Africa's harsh conditions. If you're looking for expert industrial roof painting, waterproofing, or building refurbishment, contact HMC Works today for a professional assessment and tailored solution.